Yo, can I help you? Hey. Yo. Wrong apartment, dude.
You're now watching Doorbell News.
Hello?
Phoenix, Arizona. Check her out. It's almost 3 in the morning.
Hello? 911. Hello?
Columbus, Ohio. This guy wastes no time. Deltona, Florida. Somebody definitely needs to revoke this guy's license. How do you end up on someone's lawn? This guy's riding around with the windshield wipers on. It's not even raining outside. Yeah. Some people just don't need to be driving. El Centro, California. Check this guy out. He has like a yellow vest on, like he's a worker or something, but it looks like he's trying to get inside someone's house. Hey, leave my window alone. He's trying to jimmy his way inside. Barry, Florida. Deltona, Florida.
My birthday.
Oh, hell no. Hey, get the fuck off my face. When you get shot, my man go
Philadelphia, PA. Check this guy out. Yeah, better keep those doors locked.
Hey, take care, man. Yo, listen, have a good one, man. Huh? I'm not that guy. I'm apart, man. Get to know me. He's a bitch. Why you at my door? I don't know. Your lights is on. Just knock on the door. Have a great night.
Stockton, California.
Family, are you guys home? Is it Allison Gibson money or any of my blood relatives live here? I could show you some help.
It's 6 in the morning, buddy, and I don't know you. I don't know who you waving at. Get lost! Yeah, West Hartford, Connecticut. The bears are out. Hibernation season is over. Windsor, Connecticut.
Whatever the fuck you're doing, get out of the neighborhood.
Yeah, she told them, get out the neighborhood. Or, as I like to say, get lost! Downey, California. This guy seems to think this is his house or something. Maybe he used to live there as a kid. I don't know what it is, but he definitely needs to get lost.
Can you leave, please? No, we don't want any. Thank you.
Oh, hi, how you doing?
No, we're calling the police.
What's your name, sir? You calling the police?
Yeah, man, I've seen you here before.
I am the police.
Okay.
Pardon?
Yeah, I've seen you here before, sir. We don't need your help. Thank you.
You. Get out of my house! Get out of my house! Want you out! I'm the chief of police of Downey, PG. Get out of my house! Get out of my house and leave the dogs!
Santee, California. So this guy comes up and he goes through someone's package. He's all looking around and a neighbor spots him. She comes outside and checks it out, but then she ends up walking off. But then he gets the courage to just walk inside this homeowner's house. But the homeowner's right there inside the house when he walks in and has a few words for him. Let's see what happens. Los Angeles, California.
Well, can you let me in? Oh. Ashley?
No, sir, this isn't LA Fitness. You're at the wrong place. Meanwhile, in Santee, this guy's still outside the house that he just opened the package. A neighbor comes by looking at him like he doesn't belong there, but she doesn't do anything. So then this guy gets the courage to just walk inside this person's house. But the guy's at home. Let's see what happens.
God, just a God of your understanding.
Understood.
If you're on drugs or alcohol, get in the 12-step program.
Yes, sir.
All right?
No problem. You have a good one, brother.
That's your path.
Thank you.
I've been following it for 34 years.
Yes, sir.
All right. Take care.
You too.
Yeah, he didn't have his door locked, so this guy just walked right in. Luckily, this turned out okay, and nobody was hurt. Yeah, Phoenix, Arizona. Better keep those doors locked. Hey, leave my camera alone, buddy.
Hey!
Meanwhile, in Phoenix,
Help!
she's still outside.
Hello?
Yeah. Make sure you like this video and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already.
Hello?
New video coming tomorrow.
Knock, knock.
Hello? Hello? Get lost!
Why? Well, I would have sucked. It's like a. She's sitting there telling me he has. Why are you being a jerk? Hello? Hello, hello?
This is Jen from Doorbell News. We are now offering members-only exclusive content.
Become a member of Doorbell News today. Get exclusive content. Join today for exclusive access.
Become a member of Doorbell News today.
Doorbell News Crime Watch. Coming to a neighborhood near you.
Make sure you subscribe today.
If a thief breaks in, the first thing they'll notice is your security camera. Hide your camera with Cam Masker. Cam Masker works with Ring, Wise, Blink Mini, and Nest Cam. Order yours today at cammasker.com.